What's up, people? How's everybody doing? I hope you guys are good. Well, Eric here, and today we're gonna do a bike check on the Commencal Furious. A little bit of a backdrop for you to understand. So this bike is actually a seconds bike from the Commencal store back in France. We ordered this locally to be shipped to Singapore. There are no dealers here in Singapore, so we had to get it through the dealer in France direct, well, the shop direct. And this is a clean seconds, size M, and this is the Furious. I think it's more of a park bike series. 27.5 this one, 2020 model. Very nice color, if you can see. I'll zoom in closer shortly. So let's just go for a very quick runabout look at what this bike comes with. Top of the bat, you've got your Alpha, is in-house stem. You got your Alpha handlebar as well. Comes with your A-Cross headset, ODI ruffian grips. There's something a bit nice. You don't get many of those from bikes that are of this price range, I feel. Guide REs, acceptable, not say very fantastic, but acceptable. So if you're gonna buy second-hand ones, seconds from the shop, you will not be able to be too picky, because the images will show you as much as they can. And as you can see just now, there was a bit of a scuffing over there. RockShox Boxer, this one comes with a 203 Formula hubs, and then these are LX rims. However, the tires I think may be new. They still look good. Schwabies, Magic Mary, and these are the Bike Park, as you can see over there, Bike Park edition. And mated with the SRAM GX 7-speed. Look at the color. Oh, beautiful. I think it's absolutely beautiful. So it's gunmetal chrome, I think. Absolutely sexy. Again, some more Ride Alpha products here. The saddle as well as the seat post that comes with seat clamp as well, Ride Alpha. And then this is your RockShox Super Deluxe coil. Again, minor scuffs here and there, can't be helped. It does come with E13 components like your chain guide as well as your E13 cranksets. So at least that's a bit of a savior. It looks nice. If you look at the, what do you call this, chain guard, it's beautiful. It's actually very well built, very well thought of, I think. So again, more scuffs here and there, which you will be able to see online on their website actually. If you notice it properly, they do highlight that these are the areas that they will have the scuffs, so it's up to your own discretion when you buy. So there you go, the GX SRAM 7-speed, the 7-speed cassette over there, again with the Formula hubs, stock hubs, and the LX rims as I mentioned. And then this one here is Magic Mary's Evo and downhill casing for this. Different. So your SRAM Guide REs over there with the 203s. Alright, so in a nutshell, what I'm trying to say is it comes in a very pristine condition, except for the minor scuffs here and there. Everything else is still, fantastically rideable. Some of the parts I'm sure they have swapped here and there. And I think most importantly is that, you have to understand that you pay for what you get. So this is the Commencal Furious size M 2020 model. There you go. I have not ridden on this one yet, so we'll see whether I have the opportunity to. But other than that, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Hope to see you more in my other upcoming channels. Videos. Take care for now. Stay safe and practice good social distancing. You.